One of the things we missed when when we first came to live here in Mallorca was DIY stores. We used to go spend many a Saturday afternoon in a DIY store.
Yeah, happy hour.
Happy hour, yeah. But it was always on a Saturday afternoon. It simply didn't exist here when we first came. And then Texas came along. That was the first one. But we now seem to have lots of them. And here we are today at Leroy Merlin. So this is Leroy Merlin, and they sell all manner of things from carpets, light fittings here we've got, and everything really in between. It's open from 7 o'clock in the morning till 10 o'clock at night, so it caters now not just for people who are DIYers like myself, but those who are a bit more professional and want to start early in the morning. So just about everything you could probably want to do your DIY at home or building. Nisa's actually looking for a bath mat. That's all we want. So we need to find the bath mat section. Every sort of light you could possibly imagine, with all the modern bulbs, all LEDs. Even got curtains and mattress covers, sheets, pillows, all the paints you can imagine. They will even mix whatever colour you want. And then the fittings that you might need. Here there are the bath mats. So she had a bath mat from here, and I think she put it in the washing machine, and it might have been on a hot wash. And because it's got a rubberised backing, she ruined the rubberised backing.
She's unwanted.
So you can see all sorts of things here for your bathroom. We'll just have a quick look round. We've got what we want. Is that the right one?
Yes.
And the prices are fair. Leroy Merlin isn't the only DIY stop. So Texas, which started the ball rolling for us anyway, didn't last very long. People here were not used to DIY, so Texas was not so successful. It was a little bit ahead of its time. But soon Spanish people got into DIY, and the builders were looking for alternative suppliers. So here you get a full kitchen.
The kitchen from Bauhaus, didn't we?
Yeah, this Leroy Merlin is French, and there's a German outfit called Bauhaus, which is equally large to this, if not bigger. You get all your kitchen appliances, microwave ovens,
Jamie.
cleaner for your oven.
Jamie likes.
They will sell all sorts of wood as well here. If you want to make yourself a table, then they've got the wood to do it. So it's already prepared. Not necessarily cheap, very heavy. That's 159 euros for that, 160 by 78. Really quite thick, heavy chunk of wood, that one. So yes, doors, panelling, wood of all shapes and sizes, everything, door handles. Great range of woods here if you want different shapes and sizes of wood.
It smells really nice, doesn't it?
It smells like wood here. And then they've got all the different profiles that you could possibly want, different lengths, sizes.
You haven't cut set shapes.
Some of it's straight and some of it's not so straight. And they have panelling here as well, see, different sorts of materials. You want your double glazed windows? They've got double glazed windows, they've got doors, they've got ladders, and then they've got some heavier stuff over there, so you can buy cement and all that sort of thing. There is an outside part as well, so you can buy all the different things that go with that. For me, though, I'm perhaps more interested in tools. So I come here and have a look at the tools, and they've got a great selection of all sorts of different tools that you can find around.
And I like the garden stuff. So
Anita likes the gardening section.
They have a lovely Christmas section as well.
And at Christmas time they have a really nice show of that. But over here we've got all the machines, tools, so you've got electric drills, electric saws, and all the things that go with that, compressors, generators. And then they've got a great electrical section by air conditioners, water heaters, pellet burners if you're looking for a different way. WD-40? You want some WD-40, dear? If it's supposed to move, WD-40, that's what my son-in-law says. If it's not supposed to move, duct tape. If you want, I've been thinking about a new barbecue. Well, here we've got whole ranges of barbecues. I think I'm out of the... We used to have a Weber, like one of these. That one over there, in fact. But I think we're perhaps more into the gas ones now. Or you can get yourself a new paella burner. That one's only $27.99. So.
That's
and then
the
big
tripod.
paella pan. That's the tripod on its own. Oops, sorry. Yeah, that's the tripod, $27.99. Well spotted, dear. And then you got all the tools and equipment that you might need for a barbecue.
Which we've got.
Yeah, I don't think we need any more of those, do we? Probably will need a new brush. Like these are really good. I really like these for cleaning the barbecue.
Get one of those.
What's the difference between $13.99 and $6.99? It's the same size.
Is it?
I think we might be looking at two different things there. Yeah. Have one of those?
Mm-hmm.
Stainless steel. I think the last one I had was brass, but it might have been stainless steel. Full range of electrical things, so all the switches and plugs, the cables, all of that. And now we're getting into car chargers.
Satellite dishes.
Satellite dishes, yeah, they've got satellite dishes, antennas, they've got solar panels. And then this area down here is the one that Anita likes, where they've got all the gardening stuff. So you buy plants. New pair of gloves for gardening, new secateurs. Or you can buy your plant feeding stuff, fertilisers.
And feed's cheaper in Carrefour.
But it might be cheaper in the supermarket. If you want a plant pot, they've got plant pots of all shapes and sizes and colours. You need a shovel, a spade, a rake.
Actually, I have to do the rake.
A rake?
The leaves in the garden. Not a big one.
Yeah.
This one, this size.
Oh, you're not looking at the right place. Here's the smaller sizes, although you've got big shovels there. It's a fair old axe, isn't it? Oh. And then if you've got a swimming pool, they've got all the materials that you might need for a swimming pool. I don't think you're going to get very far with that. You want something more like that, do you? Oh, that one's a bit bigger.
That's all right.
Yeah?
I'll rake the leaves up into it. And you should have got a trolley.
So we only came in for one item and we're going out with 4. Oh, there you go. And we haven't finished yet.
Jamie, this is where they got their
Avocado. We should be able to grow those from avocado seeds, shouldn't we? This isn't a garden centre, this is a DIY store that sells some things like a garden centre. Garden centres here are huge, but very specialised.
any plants, have they?
It's not a garden centre, it's a DIY store. Right, can we go to the cash desk now? So we're going off to the cash desk, and thanks very much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. So bye for now.